friends, I'm Miss Cristen, the Children's Library Outreach Coordinator at the Whitehall Public Library. Today we're making dandelion Play-doh. For that, you of course need dandelions chopped up. Ideally do it in a blender, but our blender broke, so you can just chop them up. Flour, salt, baby oil or vegetable oil will work, vinegar or cream of tartar, a big mixing bowl, and something to mix with. I'm going to hand it over to my assistant to show us how.
So you will also need hot water, a cup of hot water. So you're going to dump your chopped up dandelions, and if you're using a blender, you're going to dump the dandelions and the water together whenever they're not chopped up and blend it, but since we don't have a blender, so we're going to dump it in and stir it up. So as you can see, the pigment is starting to dissolve into the water. So next, it's 1 cup of water. And so next we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of baby oil or vegetable oil and our 1/3 cup of salt. And then our 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar or cream of tartar, and mix that up.
And we use hot water so that the pigment and everything dissolves easier.
So after I have mixed this all up, I'm going to add my 2 cups of flour. So let me add them in and mix that. And so you might need to vary how much flour you use depending on how much water the dandelions contained whenever you picked them / chopped them up. So I'm just going to mix it in till it's all mixed in, and then you have to do it with your hands. And this is where you can sort of toy around with the texture by adding more or adding a bit more water. So right now I probably need a bit more flour because it is very watery. So I have my flour over here. Just going to take a little and put it in, and I'll put the rest over here for later.
Well, we have lots of dandelions in our yard.
Yes.
But you could always experiment with other flowers too and see if you wanted to try a different color.
I've also heard that spinach works. If you wanted to do green, you could blend spinach and the same amount of boiling water and everything else, and it would turn out to be a green color. So as you can see, it's starting to make the consistency of like Play-doh, which is what we want whenever we're doing this. And so now you have your naturally dyed Play-doh, and thanks for joining us.
And have a great day.